Oh my God, Bernie, what happened?
Well, let's just say the next time you move a dozen vials of raccoon virus to the fridge, make 2 trips.
You're sure you're okay?
Yeah, it's just a precaution. If there was a problem, I'd be throwing up out of my eyeballs by now. Sorry I messed up our date.
Oh, don't worry about it. I brought the date here. Guys, come on in.
What's all this?
Well, tonight is the anniversary of our first date, and I wanted to celebrate it by writing a song for you.
Really?
Sheldon, get over here. She might be contagious. Don't you think I'm having a rough enough day? Sheldon!
If I didn't have you, life would be blue. I'd be Doctor Who without the TARDIS.
Is it me or does she not look so good?
A candle without a wick, a Watson without a crick. I'd be one of my outfits without a dicky. I'd be cheese without the Mac, jobs without the Wozniak. I'd be solving exponential equations that use bases not found on your calculator, making it much harder to crack. I'd be an atom without a bomb, a dot without the com, and I'd probably still live with my mom.
And he'd probably still live with his mom.
Ever since I met you, you turned my world around. You supported all my dreams and all my hopes. You're like uranium-235 and I'm uranium-238. Almost inseparable isotopes. I couldn't have imagined how good my life would get from the moment that I met you, Bernadette. If I didn't have you, life would be dreary. I'd be string theory without any string. I'd be binary code without a 1, a cathode ray tube without an electron gun. I'd be Firefly buffing Avengers without Joss Whedon. I'd speak a lot more Klingon, Kaloknecht Cockjudge Vom.
And he'd definitely still live with his mom.
Ever since I met you, you turned my world around. You're my best friend and my lover. We're like changing electric and magnetic fields. You can't have one without the other. I couldn't have imagined how good my life would get from the moment that I met you, Bernadette. Oh, we couldn't